Standing beneath these ancient trees, I'm witnessing more than a beautiful landscape. You witness nature at its finest. Walking through a forest changes your perspective. Surrounded by these towering trees and listening to the sounds of wildlife and listening and feeling the rhythm of nature, it's easy to understand why these environments deserve our protection. A healthy forest is far more than a collection of trees. It really is a place that is soothing to the soul and calming. It cleans the air, stores carbon, filters water, stabilizes soil, and provides a habitat